Hello, and welcome to this workshop on preferring WorkKeys. In Topic 3, you learned that the first step to preferring WorkKeys scores is to determine which WorkKeys skill areas are needed for effective job performance. Once you have selected these skill areas, you then need to set benchmark score levels for these skill areas that can be referenced when reviewing applicant scores. The score levels provide you with information that tells you if the applicant's score levels represent effective performance. To set benchmark score levels, you must first locate the WorkKeys job profile in the ACT Inc. Job Profile database. After locating the job profile, review the task list to be sure it is a match for your position. After the correct job profile is located, highlight, document, or make note of the minimum and maximum score levels for each of the skill areas you have chosen to prefer. To locate a job profile for your position, we will visit the ACT Inc. Job Profile database at profiles.keytrain.com/profile_search. This link is also available under this topic in the course page. The database is comprised of thousands of job profiles conducted at real businesses all throughout the United States. Once at the Job Profile database webpage, you are ready to begin searching for a job profile that matches your position. To search the database, type the job title into the Job Title search field area. We'll continue with Customer Service Representative, the sample job description that we used in Topic 3. Once you have typed in the job title, press the search button. If there is a job profile for that position in the database, it will be displayed in the search results, with the word Yes under the WorkKeys preferred filter. If your search does not yield any results, try searching for other job titles that mean the same as the job title you are looking for. You can also search by job clusters or by entering a few keywords in the job description search box. Once you have found an applicable job profile in the search results, double-click on it to display the job profile information. The job profile will open up as a pop-up over the search engine. Information on the job profile is broken up into 3 sections. The top section displays the job title and ends with a short job description. The second section contains the WorkKeys skill areas and associated score levels. The third section lists the tasks that the WorkKeys score levels were determined from. Review the task list to ensure that the score levels represent effective performance for your position. The tasks on the job profile should match the tasks performed by an employee for your position. If the majority of the tasks do not match, look for a new job profile that is more closely related to your position. It is important to note here that reviewing the task list is an alternative way to identify WorkKeys skill areas to prefer. Now that you have located a job profile with a task list that matches your position, you are ready to document the score levels for the WorkKeys skill areas you wish to prefer. You will recall from Step 1 that we identified reading for information as a skill area that matched the needs of our job. From the job profile for our position, we can take note that the score range representing effective performance for the skill area reading for information is 3 to 6. The 3 to 6 score range for reading for information will serve as a benchmark for reference when reviewing applicant scores. In this topic, we discuss the second step to preferring WorkKeys scores. Setting benchmark score levels for the skill areas identified in Step 1 begins with finding a job profile on the ACT Inc. database that matches the job that you're hiring for. We then review the task list located on the job profile to locate a match. Once we are satisfied with the job profile matched to our position, we document the WorkKeys score levels on the job profile that coincide with the skill areas identified in Step 1. Now that you have identified the WorkKeys skill areas and set the benchmark score levels, the heavy lifting of the process is complete. The next 2 steps are to advertise your position using correct WorkKeys preferred language and to understand how to interpret an applicant's score.